Welcome to our final lesson in Module 3. Our presentation is looking very professional with a solid theme and some great diagrams. Now, let's add some more visual punch with pictures and shapes. These elements can help illustrate your points, evoke emotion, and guide your audience's attention exactly where you want it. Inserting pictures. PowerPoint gives you a universe of images at your fingertips. From the Insert tab, you have a few options under Pictures. This device. Choose this to insert a picture you have saved on your computer, like your company logo or a specific product photo. Stock images. This is an incredible built-in library of thousands of high-quality, royalty-free photos and icons you can use without worrying about copyright. This is a huge time saver. When you insert a picture, a key skill is to resize it proportionally. Always resize a picture by clicking and dragging one of the corner handles. If you use the handles on the sides, you'll stretch and distort the image, which looks very unprofessional. Formatting pictures. When you have a picture selected, a new Picture Format tab appears on the ribbon. Here are a few essential tools. Picture styles. This is a gallery of one-click effects that can add frames, shadows, or soft edges to your image. Crop. This tool is for trimming away unwanted parts of a picture. Don't confuse it with resizing. Cropping removes parts of the image. Resizing makes the whole image bigger or smaller. Alt text. This is crucial for accessibility. Alt text is a short description of your image that can be read aloud by screen readers for visually impaired audience members. It's a core component of responsible presentation design. Working with shapes. Sometimes you don't need a full photo. You just need a simple arrow to point something out, or a circle to highlight a number. For this, we use shapes. On the Insert tab, you'll find the Shapes gallery. You can click a shape, then click and drag on your slide to draw it. Once a shape is on your slide, you can type text directly into it, and a Shape Format tab will appear, allowing you to change its shape, fill, the inside color, shape outline, the border, and shape effects, like shadows.
Let's put this into practice. 1. Go to one of your slides. Go to Insert, Pictures, Stock Images. Search for the word Success and insert a picture you like. 2. Practice resizing it using only a corner handle. 3. With the picture selected, Go to the Picture Format tab and click on Alt Text. Write a simple description, like a person celebrating at the top of a mountain. 4. Now, go to Insert, Shapes, and select the arrow. Draw an arrow on your slide that points to an important word. 5. Use the Shape Format tab to change the arrow's shape fill to one of your theme's accent colors.
Incredible work! You can now insert and format pictures responsibly and use shapes to add emphasis and clarity to your slides. This completes Module 3. You have successfully structured your presentation and made it look visually professional. In our next module, we'll take these beautiful, static slides and bring them to life with motion, using animations and transitions. I'll see you there.